Hi guys, welcome back to Your Mama's Kitchen. My name is Adrienne, and today we're going to be making some tasty homemade hummus. This amazing hummus will add a beam of light to your snack. Great for serving guests or just yourself, the rich garlic and blend of exotic spices makes the perfect balance that will take your snacking adventures to new heights. Let's go. First, we need to put all our ingredients in a blender. I use a Vitamix that my dad bought when I was born, which I highly recommend. However, any blender or food processor in this case will work. Now add in 1 can chickpeas or garbanzo beans, drained and rinsed. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. 1 large garlic clove. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. Half a teaspoon ground cumin, salt to taste, 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, and 2 tablespoons of tahini. Tahini is super simple to make at home, and you can see the recipe below. Blend until smooth. This will take about 1 minute. We are done. See how easy that was? Thank you for watching Your Mama's Kitchen. Please subscribe and hit that like button. Please come back for more. Bye.